The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how ZenWorks lets administrators distribute bundles to enable or disable system apps on Android devices. A knowledge base article describing this process can be viewed here for your convenience. When an Android system app bundle is created and assigned to a device, all system applications on the device are automatically disabled. Only the system applications specifically designated in the bundle will be enabled. If a system application bundle is not created, then system apps will appear unless otherwise restricted via policies. System apps are any application that is natively built into the device, such as calendar, camera, contacts, notes, etc. The only applications that will appear, even if no system apps are specified in the bundle, are the Google Play Store and the ZenWorks Agent apps. Those two applications will always appear. Any additional system apps that should be present will need to be added into the package list in the bundle. It is important to note that if the system app bundle is removed or unassigned, the default system apps are not automatically restored on the device, and the apps enabled through the bundle are also disabled. This means that once a system app bundle is assigned to a device, you need to ensure that the bundle is always assigned to the device so that the relevant system apps remain available. To distribute these apps in ZCC, you will create a new bundle. The type will be Android bundle and then select System Apps. You'll specify the bundle details and click Next. On the Specify System App Details page, you'll click Add to search or specify the details of the system app to enable. There are two ways to add an allowed app. Specify App Package ID specifies the exact package in the Package ID field from Google. The Search App from ZenWorks inventory searches for the system app based on the package ID, app name, or device manufacturer. Once the bundle is created, it can be assigned to the relevant devices to ensure that all unapproved system apps are unavailable.